How to stop Instagram from sharing post and story to Facebook. Hello everyone, and in this video we'll talk about how easy it is to ban the application Instagram, post posts and stories in the application Facebook. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, go to the Instagram application and go to the menu of your profile, located in the bottom right corner. Then click on the option in the form of free strips in the upper right corner, and immediately we'll see different items, but you choose settings and privacy. After that, click on the very first line in this item account center and you need to click connected experience. Once click, you will see a cross-sharing profiles and you need to press the option again. Then you will observe the accounts in the application Facebook and Instagram. You need to click on Instagram account and you will see that your stories and posts that you post in Instagram are automatically posted on Facebook. And to remove it, you just need to disable these items. And on this all, I hope you were useful. Thank you for all.